Assalamu alaikum, dear students and everyone. Welcome to my online class. How are you today? Hope you are fine and safe with your family. I am also pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. I would like to introduce myself. This is Shamchun Nahar, Senior Teacher, Didar Model High School, Adarsh Kumilla. Today, I am going to take off class for the students of class 9 and 10. So, please take your EFT book, pen and your notebook. Are you ready? I hope you are all ready for your class. Okay, dear students. First of all, see two pictures. Dear students, what about the pictures? I think you will say these pictures are about food and our living place or shelter. Okay, dear students, today we will discuss about food and shelter. Dear students, after completing this lesson, you will be able to ask and tell about problems, check and give suggestions, listen for specific information, narrate something in writing. Dear students, look at the picture. If our population becomes double the size we have now, yes, we may have accommodation, employment, education, health, service and security problems. If the population increases in the present rate, we have to build houses on the trees and boats. People will also face shortage of food, our cultivate lands will be occupied for making house. Here, look at the more pictures and we will say this. Our cultivatable lands will be occupied for making houses. If our population becomes double the size we have now, people of poor class will suffer for that. The cost of living will also be increased. It creates discrimination in the society. Okay, dear students, we'll add to that if more people live together in a small place, the place gets polluted. Dear students, for you, I have here more word meaning. First, scarcity. Scarcity means অভাব, ঘাটতি। কোনো কিছু অভাবটাকে আমরা কি বলি? Scarcity. Its similar word shortage or lack. Can you make a sentence with the word scarcity? I think you will do it and you will write in your notebook. After production. Production means উৎপাদন। কোনো কিছু উৎপাদন করা কি? Production. It's similar word making, growing. Can you make a sentence with the word production? Okay, dear students, you will write your notebook. Next word, floating. Floating means ভাসমান, ভাষা। এটাকে কি বলতে পারি আমরা? সিমিলার ওয়ার্ড সেইলিং। হেয়ার this picture plotting board, another picture plotting market. We know that plotting market is situated in Bangkok. Okay dear students, for your better I have written more words and synonyms. Here first word arable. Arable means চাষযোগ্য। সিনোনিম একটা সিমিলার ওয়ার্ড হতে পারে প্লাউবেল, কাল্টিবেল। নেক্সট কনসিডারেবল। কনসিডারেবল মিন্স উল্লেখযোগ্য। সিমিলারি ওয়ার্ড সিগনিফিক্যান্ট অর হিউজ। নেক্সট শ্রিঙ্ক। শ্রিঙ্ক মিন্স সংকুচিত হওয়া, শ্রিঙ্ক। সিমিলারি ওয়ার্ড ডিক্রিজ অর লেসন। thereafter unending. Unending means অসীম। Similarly word endless. Okay. Dear students, before getting your homework, I want to brief this passage. In this passage, Mrs. Choudhury and her students are talking about different problems. One group leader says that the scarcity of food is a serious problem. The agriculturists have developed new varieties of rice and its per acre production is definitely high. But the rate of production of food is not keeping pace with the rate of population growth. Another group leader tells about housing problem. If the population increase in the present rate, we have to build houses on trees and boats. After listening to all of their discussion, Mrs. Choudhury tells them about her village. Once her village was full of trees and fields of various crops. But nowadays, everything has changed. The beauties of the crops fields are spoiled by the unplanned houses built here and there. My dear students, it's time to our homework. I think you have understood this lesson. I request you practice it again and again and read out this passage, and thereafter you will complete your homework. Your homework. Here there are two types of homework here. First, make a list of problems that caused by overpopulation. Next, write a paragraph about your village or locality. Describe any change in the things you have noticed over the years, such as houses, fields, trees, plants, etc. Okay, dear students, I hope you will be able to this homework. Everybody will be good. Thanks to everybody. Allah Hafiz. Stay home and stay safe.